Hi, this is Dr. JMR class, chemistry classes. Today, regarding solutions. What is solution? Solution contains two components. One of the component, one is solute and the one is solvent, is known as solution. What is solute? Solute means small quantity like sugar, salt. One of the example. So here salt is dissolved in water. Salt is dissolved in water. Here water is solvent. This is solute. Water is solvent. Salt is solute. Then what is the duty of solvent? It is allowed to dissolve in it. It is allowed to dissolve in it to form solution. It is called solvent. Then what is solute? A solute which is going to dissolve to form solution is called a water solute. It is going to dissolve. It is allowed to dissolve in it. So that is the difference to form solution. So here solutions are classified into two types. Number one, diluted solutions. Number two, concentrated solutions. Diluted solutions. What do you mean by diluted solutions? Suppose for example, you take fruit juice. Fruit juice contains excess of water. It is called diluted fruit juice. Generally you will take what? Wine. Means it contains excess of water. It contains excess of water. So that is why what happened, diluted solution or diluted fruit juice. Generally we talk like that. What do you mean by means dilute? Means solute percentage is very small, but a solvent percent is very high. Solute percent is very small and solvent percent is very high. Excess of solvent is added, so that is why it's called diluted solution. What do you mean by concentrated solution? Concentrated means it also contains solute plus solvent, but comparable amount of solute and solvent is present. Comparable amount of solute as well as solvent is present. So that is why it is called concentrated solution. Diluted solution means it contains excess of solvent or small amount of solute is called diluted solutions. Concentrated solution means a solution contains the comparable amount of solute and solvent is known as concentrated solutions. Isn't it? So like this, next we'll enter into next point, that is saturated solution, unsaturated solution, supersaturated solution. For example, unsaturated solution. What do you mean by unsaturated solution? Suppose you take one glass of water. This glass of water is ready to dissolve 10 spoons of sugar. 10 spoons of sugar easily dissolved. But here you add only 5 spoons. You add only 5 spoons means it is ready to allow to dissolve more amount of solute. This water is ready to allow to dissolve more amount of solute. That is known as unsaturated solution. Number 2. What is saturated? What is saturated solution? This time you add 10 spoons of sugar. 10 spoons of sugar in water. Means 10 spoons of sugar easily dissolved. You add one more spoon, it will not dissolve. Why? That is already saturated. Means a solution which cannot allow to dissolve in it at a given temperature is known as saturated solution. Next, super saturated solution. What do you mean by super saturated solution? You take 1 glass of water, add 10 spoons of sugar. Naturally it will dissolve. Add another 5 spoons of sugar, it will not dissolve. You heat it. At that time what happened? This 5 spoons of sugar is also dissolved. You add another 5 spoons of sugar. It will dissolve by heating. Here, what is supersaturated? A solution which can hold more of solute than saturated solution is called supersaturated solution. By cooling